Listen to this off the wall. Oh, lovely. That is
Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, bye. Those going home.
took a while to get the sound out of it. I mean, initially when I bought the car, it came with this straight pipe option. I'm sure you guys have seen the initial videos that I had on it where it was like stupid loud, and that was a little too crazy. Like, especially on, like, you know, when you're just cruising around, you don't want something that loud. My favorite is when you echo it off a wall. Might hear it here, hold on. Pops quite a bit. Yeah, here you're gonna hear a nice sound. So I noticed, and here, like, I'll give you guys a quick demo of what it's like with the windows up when you're just cruising on the highway. So I'm in 6th gear right now, going about 100 kilometers an hour or 62 miles an hour, and revving about just a little over 3K, and it's nice and comfortable inside. Once you go off throttle, it's actually, you don't even hear it at all. I'm gonna load up 6th a bit. Very quiet, zero drone. So if you're wondering what the exhaust setup is, the secondary cats have already been removed, and We have the mid resonator. Well, it's deleted, but I have replaced it with a smaller vibrant resonator. It's like a 3-inch piping after that, which goes right out the back, and single exit, and there's no mufflers either. We just got Pacific. That was random as shit. I didn't expect. I mean, I looked at him. I was like, he's got some reps on it. Maybe he'll run it. Here. So I wanted to go over one thing, and that's the performance of this car. So, you know, a lot of people think, oh yeah, it's got a V8, it must be pretty quick. But like, yo, it's from like the last, well, I'm not even gonna say last generation. It's from like a couple of generations ago. I mean, an 01 V8 makes like what, probably like around 300 horsepower. It does have torque, especially around 3K. It makes a nice amount of torque, especially for the weight of the car. It does move it really well. But, and honestly, it is faster than like an NA G35 coupe was. With bolt, it's probably as quick as one with bolt-ons, I would say. And definitely makes a lot more torque than it, and as well as it makes a lot more torque than even like a G37. So you can really feel that torque over the G37 for sure. I wouldn't say it's fast by any means. It definitely could use some more, you know, some more go, but it as a daily, it's plenty of fun. I honestly don't think under like $5,000 that you can even get. Can you please tell me in the comments if you think you can get something better than this under $5,000? I would like to know, because I don't think I found anything that has a great sound like this, is comfortable like this. I gotta say, the handling's probably one of the most impressive things. Like, look at the way it corners. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Beautiful. You don't expect, like, I know BMWs handle well and all, but like when you put this thing at speed into a ramp and you feel how planted it is, it actually makes you wonder, like, how the hell, like, the thing has a stock suspension as far as I know. It's got almost 300,000 kilometers on it, and it corners flat. And when it gets loaded up in the when the suspension gets loaded up in the corner, like, it's predictable. You feel confident in the corner. You don't feel like it's gonna, you know, understeer or oversteer out of your hands. Like, it's there all the time. That's one of the most impressive things about this. Like, the G felt like that eventually, but I had to obviously do, like, you know, coils on it and all this stuff. But this thing just at 300,000 kilometers feels like that. So very impressive for the handling wise as well. And honestly, it's like a poor man's M5 E39. I mean, like, yo, for 5K, you know, it's quite a lot of car for the money. All right, so that's enough talking. I think y'all came here to see some V8 exhaust clips, so let me give you that. If you're really careful with the throttle and light on it, you get this smooth, deep rumble. But if you're like heavy in the throttle, like this, it gets more raspier. And so I tend to like just be very light on the throttle and let it climb the RPM nice and smooth, so that you get this nice like bellow. where it has the cleanest sound. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that video. And that's pretty much, that's it, the Beamer's gone. That's all she wrote.